everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today's clip will guide you how to get from A to Z, how we use bot accounts, YouTube to watch video for seeding, increase view for video, maybe even more comments. Then first we will log into YouTube software. This software helps us manage without limits YouTube account. That means Gmail emails. Mail domain to use to create a YouTube channel. I have more than 600 channels here. And now I'm going to add 40 new accounts that I just added. I will first add a new account. First, I will add a list. These categories are categories that contain accounts. Then I will add an account. Select category. I have about 40 mail domain accounts. I'll get these emails to log in and create a YouTube channel. Enter the information here and select the format. We have two schools here. That's the mail and the password. Then we'll just enter these two emails and click Save. Now we have entered 40 emails in, as you can see here. And now I'm going to mount proxy. UK for these accounts. I currently have proxies. V6 static. England. And now I'm going to attach to these accounts. When you open these accounts, the software will automatically change the IP of these accounts to Kingdom of England. Now I will paste proxy here. So people just copy this process in and click. Blackened and mounted. You can see here the account has a process. Next, I will select the channel. Because these emails have a lot of emails that don't have a YouTube channel. So now I'm going to create a channel. Go to Channel Management. Go to this Create section. I'll just enter the channel names here. One already have some names here. I will copy. Put the names here. I already have this name. I will now save it to a file. Copy. And save it to that software. These are the channel names that we're going to create. Next, I will choose the ones. The account I just entered. To create that channel. Now I just need to start. The software will automatically create YouTube channels from these mail.